Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I am going to be doing a get ready with me night look. With that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and start priming my face with the Maybelline Master Primer. Next, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. primer for my eyelids. Now I'm applying a little bit of chapstick. Gonna do my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm back, and I put some tape, and I'm going to be using the Mayra Karina palette, the bottom row to be exact. I'm gonna go ahead and put the first brown in the outer corner, dragging it inwards in both of my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a womb buddy, and I'm going to apply it with the same brush, again, right where I went with the other eyeshadow and dragging it inwards. So focusing on doing that windshield wiper motion and circles. Now I'm going to go in with this darker brown, and I'm going to focus it right on the outside of my eyelid, and I'm just going to drag it in, again, using that windshield wiper motion and circles. I'm going to be using Garcia for the middle shade, and again I'm just going to be lapping it over and over, trying to make that color pop up right in the center. Now I'm going to go ahead and use Nocturnal, and this is the black one, and I'm going to just do it right on the outside of my eyelid, and then I'm just going to be dragging it in kind of like a eyeliner motion. Do not be afraid when you're using shades that it gives a lot of fallout. A lot of palettes do this. For instance, you're going to see right here that I'm going to have a lot of fallout, and it's going to be going everywhere. Just trust the process, you guys. Don't get discouraged. Now I'm going to be using the LA Colors pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my little eyeliner trick. After I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to use a brush to help me kind of define the inner corner of my eyelids with the eyeliner. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner on top of the eyeshadow that I used. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. Again, don't be scared if you have a lot of fallout. You can wipe that off. I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes, and I'm also going to be applying mascara, and I'm going to be using the Voluminous Mascara. Now, of course, I'm going to be applying foundation with tapping motions. Remember to tap it all over your face and do not drag it. Don't be harsh. After I'm done doing this process, I'm going to go ahead and get some concealer and apply to the areas where I want it to be more concealed. Next up is the bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. bronzer. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. setting powder, and I'm just going to define that little bronzer areas where I put it at. I'm also going to be applying some blush, and a little bit of highlighter. Now I'm back with my eyelashes. I went ahead and I did these off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. Lipstick time. I'm going to be using a Revlon red lipstick all over my lips. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys liked it. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. If you have any questions, also leave them down below. Go ahead, like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good evening, night, morning, wherever you're at. Until next time, have a good one. Bye, guys.